Lamar, Colorado is definitely a rural community that has a lot of challenges.
47.3% of the people that live in Prowers County live with incomes of about 200% of the federal poverty level or below.
A lot of the patients and community members that we work with, I find a lot of the times they're on survival mode.
The hopelessness of if I get sick, then it's kind of the major problem financially.
Lots of times when people are on that survival mode, health falls to the bottom of the list. High Plains is one of the leading healthcare providers in southeastern Colorado.
High Plains would certainly come into the category of what would be called a safety net clinic. We actually take care of about 8,000 unduplicated patients a year, and that's in a county of about 13,000 people.
Really, the idea is providing access to care for our entire community, but a population that we definitely want to make sure that we are providing top quality care to are people who don't have insurance or maybe underinsured. So we're building partnerships with the public health department here. We're building partnerships with the school district.
The nursing services, the hospitals, private nonprofits that work in the area of substance abuse.
So everyone's getting these consistent messages that health is important and prevention is a big piece of taking care of your health.
I was one of the people that would end up in the emergency room all the time because of what I was eating. I didn't have anybody to help me, to teach me, what I was doing wasn't right with my eating habits, and I just didn't care.
When she came into the clinic, part of her visit with her provider was getting connected with a health coach.
Carl was the one that got me going. He had confidence in me that I didn't have in myself.
Their families really made some big changes in what they're eating and how they look at their food choices.
There is a new leaf on life for me, and I know without High Plains, I wouldn't have been able to do it.
The roots of High Plains Community Health Center go back to the early 1990s. The Colorado Trust really assisted us when we were in the growing stage and helped the community to do community assessments and give us some direction about where we needed to go. They had an initiative called Healthy Communities, and they helped us out with sustainability and the needs that we have down here.
It means hope for me and my kids.
When I walk in the door at High Plains Community Health Center, I see employees and staff members and providers that are here because they want to make sure that every community member has that access to the care that they deserve.
Before they were falling through the cracks, now there aren't any cracks in the sidewalk at all, and they're able to live a much better, healthier, hopeful life.